The real action this morning in the financial markets is in Bitcoin. Earlier today, it hit $58,000 a share. Right now, it's $56,800. Mike Lee joins us this morning. Mike, we are told that big players are moving into the Bitcoin market and the crypto market. Is that what you're seeing?
Well, Stuart, I'm seeing a multitude of factors. I expect more big players to continue to come in. As the ETF gets rolled out, it's getting approved on various platforms because just because they went public doesn't mean every brokerage firm is going to offer it. Every financial advisor can sell it to their clients. So as that's happening, more money on a daily basis is flowing into the ETFs. And then something else that's going on in the background is the Congressional Budget Office is completely off the mark in the amount of revenue that's going to come into the Treasury. They're predicting a 10% growth in tax receipts this year, but revenue is tracking down between 8 and 9%. That's almost a 20% difference between what they're expecting and reality, which means our budget deficit is likely to be well in excess of $2 trillion this year. More money printing, more destruction of fiat currency, bull case for Bitcoin.
Interesting. Are you still really big on Nvidia? I mean, last time you were here, I think you were looking at either 900 or $1,000 a share.
Stuart, look, in the last 2 years, its earnings are up by over a factor of 6, and the stock is only up about 4x, right? A little bit less. So the reason why the stock is up is because the earnings are up, and the earnings could triple over the next couple of years. So I think Nvidia has a very long runway in front of it. And what nobody talks about is how much money they're going to make on the services. So similar to Apple, when they rolled out all these iPhones and you have a big installed base, now that everybody's got the Nvidia GPUs, Nvidia can go out and sell services to them. And that's where the company is going to pivot. If the CEO is right and in 2 years it's a $300 billion market, if Nvidia's market share goes from, say, 99% where it is now down to 90%, they're going to make $130 to $140 billion just off the GPUs, not including the services and the other things that they can sell. So this stock has a long way to go. It's much cheaper now than it was 2 years ago, even with the run-up.
Okay, we're going to leave it right there. You are obviously an Nvidia fan, and we'll be following it along with you. Thanks, Mike. See you later. We have the latest case.